So hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Saliste, and for today's vlog guys, we are going to do another unboxing guys ng mga PR package na pinadala sa akin. And we have 3 package. Ayan, para na rin akong pumarcel na ng pumarcel. So sorry sa voice ko guys dahil medyo kagagaling lang natin sa trangkasong malala. Actually, hindi pa ako ganun kagaling, but naiinip ako and I need to do something para talagang maging maayos yung pakiramdam natin. Okay? So, without further ado, let's get started. May nakalagay tayo dito guys na Food in Fire. But this is from Klasno products guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang dami nilang pinadala sa akin guys. Ayan. And, alam niyo yung mga Klasno, sila ay coffee, syempre. So, we have Klasno 3-in-1. Ayan, lagay ko dito. Meron din tayong Klasno na 2-in-1. Ito yung mga sugar-free, guys. Yung mga ayaw ng may asukal sa kape. Pero gusto ng may creamer. So, this is it. So, we have also Klasno Cappuccino. Ayan. This is a 10 cups. Yung, ito Cappuccino Gold. So, we have also Klasno Hot Chocolate, and this is my favorite so far. And syempre meron din tayong Klasno Gold Freeze-Dried Coffee and Klasno Rich Premium Blend. So yan, it's 2 and hindi ko alam. It is a 100 gram, both 100 gram. So ayan. Meron din tayong lastly is Klasno Coffee Cream. This is a creamer. Parang coffee mate siya, pero Klasno yung brand. And, feeling ko 100 grams din. Oh, pero mas malakas siya. Pero, ayan. Masarap daw to guys kapag pinagsama nyo itong si Klasno Creamer and Klasno Gold. So, perfect blend daw sila. Okay? And then, yeah. Yan yun. Yan yung pinadala nila. Okay, guys. Next is from Heiko. Ayan. Ito ay from Heiko. You can order this in Amazon. You can check, guys, their brand. So, ano naman to? Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, may kinalaman sa pagligo. Ganon. So, we have here a lupa. Ang laki. Ang laki ng lupa, guys. So, panghilog. So, pwedeng gawin dito putol-putolin para gamitin natin na pang scrub ng ating katawan. So, we have here lupa. This is all from Heiko, guys. Ayan. And, nakabox pa rin siya. May lupa din sa loob. Lupa. What is this yan? Wait. Ayan. So, ang bango. In fairness. Open natin. Parang kala mo cake. So, let's open, guys. Bango na sabon. May sabon kasi siya. Ayan. So, we have here, guys, another loofah. Small lang siya. This is from Hygo. Hindi pala Heiko. Hygo pala siya. Kasi G siya, guys, eh. Oh. This is from Hygo. And they also sent me this Moroccan soap with olive oil. Haman Beldi soap. Ayan. So, they sent me this Moroccan soap with olive oil. Ayan. So, bagay siya sa lupa, pang scrub. And they also send me, ito yung naamoy kong mabango. Ito nga. Goat milk soap from Hygo also. Ayan. This is soothing and hydrating for face and body soap made in small batches with pure ingredients from the trees, the earth, the form, and the sea. Ayan. So, that is their ingredients, guys. Bango. Bango niya. And lastly, they send me this Moroccan Gasul clay powder. Ito yata yung naamoy ko. So, this is a clay powder, guys. You can, habang naliligo kayo, you can put it in your body, in your skin. So, pang pa-whitening something. So, this is from Haigo Moroccan Gasul clay powder. Ayan. So, check it out. So, you can order this, guys, if you like, sa Amazon. Ayan. Doon kayo makakakita nito. Sobrang bango. Ang bango ng ano. Alam mong sabon siya. Ganun. Ayan. Nakakatawa to. Nakakatawa. Ang laki ng lupa ko. Parang ilang taong kong magagamit to, ah. Okay. Anyway. So, yeah. We have that. And then next is this is from Cosnori. I think this is an skincare. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yes, this is. So this is from Cosnori. Pinadala nila ito. Actually, this is about a month ago. Pero late lang na-send. Ewan ko kung bakit matagal ang Aramex nag-deliver nito. Actually, they about to send this last week. Pero wala kasi ako sa bahay. So, I told them na next week na lang. So, ayan. So, they send me, I think this is a 4 products from Cosnori. So, we have this Cosnori Whitening Dress Tone Up Cream with niacinamide whitening lotion solution for all skin types. So, this one. Ayan. Meron tayong Whitening Dress Tone Up Cream. Ayan. Whitening solution. So, galing to ng Korea, guys. Itong Cosnori brand na to. Kaya din siguro ang tagal ipadala ni Aramex. Oh, so we have Cosnori PDRN shots. So this is an apple infused with 675 shots of high purity spicules, glow, pore, and firming. So I think this is a serum. This is Cosnori serum. Ito pampatone up, pambrighten kapag hindi pantay yung balat nyo. Yung kulay niya, baga. So yeah, I think this is a serum. So it is a 675 shot yung pangalan niya. PDRN 675 shots. So next, they send me, what is this? Cosnori eyelash. So this is a mascara. Meron din pala silang mascara. So they have from skincare to makeup. Meron sila niyan. Ayan. I think this is also a mascara. So this one is Cosnori eyelash. Korean kasi yung nakalagay eh. Oh, hindi ko mabasa. So, tingnan ko na lang sa website niya. Perfect Setting Mascara. Waterproof Long Curl. So, another mascara. Bakit dalawang mascara yung senden nila? I think this one is a brown. Yeah, brown siya. Yeah, this is a brown color. Perfect Setting Mascara. Waterproof and long curl. So, this is a brown color. And this one, buksan natin para mapakita ko sa inyo. Ang hirap pag, may nararamdaman tapos nagba-vlog ka. Actually, nagpapatanggal lang ako ng board kasi nainip na ako. Kumbaga, parang magpa 5 days na ako, guys, na nasa bed lang. Bumabangon lang talaga ako just to pee, kumuha ng pagkain. Tapos, usually, hindi ako makabangon. Talagang tumutulog lang ako. Grabing malalang trangkaso, guys. Yung, ito ay, naman siya. Clear siya, guys. Pang patone up siguro ng eyelash to. Parang serum sa eyelashes. If I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, that's it guys. Yan lahat yung na-receive ko ngayon. Meron tayong from Hygo. Meron tayong from Klasno and Cosnori. So, diba, from... Itatry ko ngayon tong mga coffee na to. And we'll see kung makagawa pa tayo ng vlog. Kasi I need to do reels from this guys. But... biglang naging Indiano. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And abangan nyo, malapit na yung ating Thanksgiving live stream. Maybe it will just be quick guys dahil para lang dun sa mga nagpa-entry, sa members ko, and super chatters. So, yun. Thank you so much everyone. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye everyone! Mwah!